guys, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking for a cleansing foaming gel that's for sensitive skin, stop looking around and check this one out. This cleanser foaming gel by Bioderma is great if you have sensitive skin. This is great just to wash your face or to remove your makeup. I personally love using it to remove my makeup. I love the fact that I don't get any rash. This is alcohol free, so it's not going to dry my face either. And I really like that it even removes my mascara. This is super gentle, it's alcohol free, it's fragrance free, it's just perfect. And I really love the fact that I can wash all of my face and open my eyes and they are not burning like with other cleansing gels. You're going to see that all my makeup was removed, even my mascara. I love the fact that it removes everything. You're going to see with this cotton round that all of my makeup and impurities were removed. This foaming gel from Bioderma works great. I love everything about this cleansing foaming gel. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.